Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Let's sit down in Sukhasana, nice and tall. Interlace your hands in the front and roll your back. Tuck your chin. And roll your arms to the side. Try to feel the stretch on your back, especially in between your shoulder blades. And release. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, turn to your right. And hold one knee. Inhale, extend your arm and stretch to the opposite side. And try to feel the stretch on the side of your body. Connect your sitting bone down on the mat. Let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale. To stretch out. Exhale to soften your shoulders. Inhale. Tip of your finger reaching upward. Inhale, exhale. Deep inhale. And exhale, back to center. Let's do the other side. Inhale and exhale. And reach. And let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, relax. Inhale, reach. Exhale, drop your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, relax your chest. Inhale, create space. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. One more deep inhale. And exhale, back to center. Okay, now let's take tabletop pose. Palm heel underneath your shoulders. Open your about your hip distance and tuck your toes. And let's take cat and cow pose. Inhale to look up. Cow pose. Exhale to tuck your chin. Cat pose. Let's repeat. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, tailbone and crown reaching toward the sky. Exhale, drop your belly and relax. Inhale, try to create space in between your vertebra. Exhale, press your palms down, tuck your chin. One more deep inhale. Lengthen and stretch. Exhale, stretch your back. And back to center. Okay, now widen your arms and one shoulder touch the mat. And rest your head on the mat. And try to stretch inside of your shoulders. And let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. One more deep inhale. And exhale. Now switch. Let's do the other side. はい、shoulder down, touch on the mat. One more deep inhale. And exhale. Back to neutral. Okay? And from here, open your knee about the mat distance towards touching and sitting on to your heels. And stretch out. Let's take Balasana, child pose. And from here, stretch your arms and go to the upper facing. Okay, so we're gonna repeat. So open your knee to child pose, Balasana. To upper facing, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. To Balasana child pose. Inhale, exhale to upper facing. Inhale, exhale to child pose. Inhale and exhale. Connect your breath, pranayama, with movement. And keep breathing. And deep inhale, exhale. Now, let's take downward facing dog. Open your feet about your hip distance and dorichi gaze in between your legs. Okay, exhale. Widely open up your palms and sending your hips to the heels. And let's take 5 deep breaths on Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Inhale, tailbone high up, reaching toward the sky. And exhale to soften your shoulder. Inhale, exhale, reach tailbone, keep it high up. And exhale, press your palms and 10 toes down. Inhale, exhale. And bring your thigh close to your belly. And try to feel the stretch on your calf. And shoulders away from ears. And one more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay, so now walk to your hands. And from here, inhale and exhale to hug up. Inhale, exhale, down, forward bend. Inhale, half up. Exhale, bend over, hinge on your hip. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale. And inhale out, Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen your spine, engage your core. Exhale, relax your neck. And one more inhale. Exhale, relax. And slowly each vertebra roll up. Feel free to bend your knees slightly. And now here, inhale, exhale, bend your knee, open your chest. Inhale and exhale, roll your back. Inhale, straighten your knee and exhale, bend your knee, open your chest to the sky. Inhale, soften your knee, exhale, roll your back. Inhale, exhale, sternum lifting up. Inhale, exhale, stretch your back. Inhale, exhale, shoulder blades together, wide your collarbone. Inhale, exhale, try to stretch and create space in between your shoulder blades. Inhale, one more, exhale, open. And inhale, exhale, roll your back. And now bring your arms down to the side. Let's take a mountain pose. Wrist straight. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!